How to add discount codes in BigCommerce Mobile. To add discount codes using the BigCommerce mobile app, start by opening the app and logging into your store admin. From the main dashboard, tap the menu icon and navigate to Marketing, then select Discounts. Tap the plus icon to create a new discount. Here you can choose the type of discount you want to offer, such as a percentage off, fixed amount off, or free shipping. Enter a unique discount code, set the discount value, and configure details like usage limits, expiration date, and minimum purchase requirements. You can also specify which products or categories the code applies to. Once you fill in all necessary information, tap Save to activate a discount. Your customers can now use this code during checkout to receive the promotion. It's a simple and effective way to run special offers and boost sales, all managed from your mobile device. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.